Here's how to get the transcript from any YouTube video in 2025. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe. Now, the first step is to open the YouTube video that you want to get the transcript from. I'm going to be using one of my own tutorials in here, which is a Roblox tutorial, but that doesn't really matter. So once you have the video, open it up right here on the YouTube app, and you guys actually don't have to go into any site because YouTube itself has a transcript option. And what you want to do is go ahead and open the video, and once you open the video, you want to go down and you want to open the description of that video, the one that says the views, how long ago it was posted and stuff. Just go ahead and press where it says more down here to see the full description of the video, and then scroll down until you see a show transcript button right here. As you can see, there is a transcript option. Click on it, and then that is going to give you the transcript menu in here. Now, it does have timestamp, but you could remove those by clicking on these three arrows right here and then pressing toggle timestamp. That is going to remove the timestamp of the video. And now you could select the whole transcript. If you want to copy it, you could select the whole thing. You could right click on it and you could click where it says copy. You could go over to your desktop, press on new, and then select text document. If you open this text document app, you could go ahead and paste that YouTube transcript into here. And now you have a full YouTube transcript that you could use for whatever you want. But there you guys have it. You could save this file, of course, and keep it in your desktop. And that is how to get a transcript from a YouTube video. If this video helped you out, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.